Hello friends, welcome again to RB classes. Our today's topic is difference between linear and non-linear data structures. As we all are similar with the term data structures, we know that the data structures are of the two types, that is linear data structures and the non-linear data structures. So let us understand what are the differences between these two terms. The very first difference between these two is that data elements are demonstrated in linear way. In a linear data structure, we can take an example of like in arrays. The elements are demonstrated in a linear way. Also the elements are also stored in a linear way in memory also, but yeah, they are demonstrated in a linear way. So we can say that an array is a linear data structure. In linked list too, we can say although the elements get a memory allocation dynamically, but still the elements are connected in a linear way with each other. So we can say that linked list is also a linear data structure. But instead of these, in a non-linear data structures, the data elements are demonstrated in non-linear way. For example, we can take an example of trees, right? Trees, we can say that there are multiple levels of tree. That means the data is not demonstrated in a linear way. So these are known as the non-linear data structures. Okay. The second one difference is what? Linear data structures are very easy to implement, as we know that there is a linear way of demonstrating them and connecting them, so they are very easy to implement. But instead of this, the non-linear data structures are very difficult to implement, like trees, graph and heaps. Now the next difference is what? Data elements are traversed one after the other. In linear data structures, we can easily traverse the data elements at the one run, but in case of non-linear data structures, they cannot be traversed at one run. We have to make use of recursion calls for traversing the non-linear data structures, but linear data structures can be easily traversed by using our iteration method. Okay, so this is what the basic complexity of non-linear data structures. The next difference is what? All the data elements are present at the single level. As we know that in a linear data structures, all the elements are present in a single level, but in case of non-linear data structure, elements are present at multiple levels. For example, in trees, we can see that in a tree there are multiple levels. So this is another difference, that in a linear data structure the elements are present at single level, and non-linear data structures the elements are present at the multiple levels. Okay, the next difference between them, and this is a disadvantage of our linear data structure, that they are very time consuming. Okay, as their time complexity also increases with the increase in the time. Just as the time increases, the time complexity also increases in case of linear data structures. But in case of non-linear data structure, they are very time efficient. For example, we can take of example of our binary search trees. Searching in binary search tree is very efficient than the searching in linear data structure. So we can say that they are very this is what the advantage of our non-linear data structures, that they are very time efficient. Okay, now there are some examples of our linear data structures and non-linear data structures, like arrays, linked list, stack and queue, as I told you. And these are what the another non-linear data structures, like trees, heap and graph. See, an array is a static data structure and linked list is a dynamic data structures. A stack and queue can be implemented, these two can be implemented using arrays also and using linked list also. Okay, so these are what the differences between our linear and non-linear data structures. Thank you.